Hey guys. Alright with you? My name is Marcos. I'd apologize if the video is not very good, because as I live here in the countryside, I am not very used to technology. However, due to the creation that I received, I think it is my right and duty to review in my analysis here. Give my testimony here. My testimony about this product. This product that has greatly improved our living conditions here in the rural area. Well, guys, I'm 30 years old. I live here in the countryside, nearby here in the state of Arizona, here in the upstate region, right? And well, guys, what happens? I recently acquired the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator, this ebook, which has some knowledge that promises to be an effective energy generator. And, look, I'm going to be honest here with you, as few times have been in my life. I don't really believe in these internet things. Usually we see a lot of scams, a lot of fake things, but a friend had bought it, tested it, it was working there on his farm and I decided to test it here with us. And, guys, what I have to say is that the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator does work. You have no idea how this product, how this knowledge has changed my personal life. I found myself in a moment in life that I was looking for, more independence, more economy, sustainability, because I live here in the countryside, there is nature all around. And, guys, unfortunately, due to the issue of winds and everything that you already know, we were facing a lot of problems with power outages and that was making me very frustrated, very worried, not knowing what to do. Especially when it happens storms, especially at night, which people who have small children know are complicated. It was then that I was talking here with a friend of mine from the countryside that he told me about the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator. And well, believe me guys, this has become my salvation, oddly enough. Firstly, because of the ease of installing the equipment, the assembly, how it works. I'm no expert in electricity. To tell you the truth, I didn't even go to college. I just finished high school. I only know how to read, write and the basics of the internet, but I managed to get it working without any problems. And, guys, I got a surprise, because it really works really well. Nowadays it is connected, for example, to my refrigerator, cell phones, when I want to charge it only, computer when my daughter will use it here to do school work too. It is only connected to the equipment that was generated here, through the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator. And well folks, best of all, now I don't have to worry about power outages anymore, because the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator gives me continuous, reliable power. I can turn on my electronics, keep the fridge running and even watch my favorite series. Sometimes when it's a rainy night and even some of the animal equipment outside, we can also connect it and it's been working very well. The power outages decreased a lot. To tell you the truth, I don't even remember when it was the last one, if there was any power outage after I started using the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator. So for me it was one of the best choices.
No.
I didn't regret anything. And really, this generator changed the way I see the world. After all, in addition to ensuring my energy independence, it also contributes to the environment. It is a clean and renewable energy source. So, I feel a sense of accomplishment, right? I feel even more connected with God now. So, with Ultimate Grid Generator, I can enjoy the beauty of country life without interruptions, without power outages. And for you who are looking for a solution to the power outages in your house, you who are looking for savings on your energy bill and want to feel free, want to feel contributing to the world, to nature, don't think twice. The Ultimate Off-Grid Generator is definitely the best option, okay? I hope that my experience, that my testimonial can inspire you to follow the same path of at least testing the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator for at least 90 days, since if you buy it, don't like it or anyway, for whatever reason, then you want the money from return. As you know here in our country, just ask for it to be returned on time, okay? So thank you so much Michael Morgan and the whole team over at the Ultimate Off-Grid Generator for making my life so much brighter, so much better, okay? Thank you very much for everything. Thank you for your attention and until next time. Bye bye.